here is Amolik, and today you are watching Fluency Spark. Let's light up the spark in yourself and let's get going towards the river. River plays a major role in our life as the river has the water. We drink the water, that's why we are alive. Without water, there is nothing. We eat the food, in the food there is the water. And today I'm going to talk about the Alaknanda river, which behind me you can hear the voice. It is amazing river. Let's get going towards it and become the Fluency Sparkers. So guys, as we all know, as the river plays a major role in all of our lives, so we don't know that what is the reasons that the river plays a major role in our life. The reasons are the river gives us the electricity. So there are several major factors. So today we are going to talk about it and the Alaknanda river. Do you know one interesting thing about it? We have seen the Sangam from where the Ganga Nadi is made and aspirated. But from do you know the two rivers which combine and then they form the Alaknanda river? The two rivers are known as the Bhagirathi and the Alaknanda. The Alaknanda river is a river which is coming from a glacier from Himalayas, and it melts down, and as you can see the sound, it is so fast, it is flowing so fast that the river is river sound is so hard that it is coming in my ears, and you all would be also hearing it. The Bhagirathi Nadi also come from a glacier, and the both comes and they combine and they make the Ganga Nadi. The Ganga Nadi is also very spiritual, and we can take it in a spiritual way also, because the people also worship the Ma Ganga. But sometimes the people are there who throw some trash in the river Ganga. It is a very pure form of water in the river Ganga, which is now getting more dirtier because of it's the people throwing the trash into it. They should not do that, because do you know what the people in India say Ganga, the Ganga Ma, but this throw the trash into the Ganga Ma, and then they are disrespecting their mother because they are saying Ganga Ma. So please make sure that you do not throw the trash into it. And now let's go towards the economical reasons. The economical reasons are that the water which comes, it is packed into the water bottles and sold, and with that the people do earn. The people pay taxes to the government, and that is why the government also earn. So and these all are the major factors of the rivers flowing right here, and especially the Alaknanda river. It is a very large river. It's not a small one that it is coming from the glacier and just to the merging to the Bhagirathi. It's not so, but it is coming from a large distance, from kilometers, and then merging to the Bhagirathi and forming the Ganga. This is a Sangam at Devprayag. I hope that you all have made the plan of going to the Devprayag at doing the snan at the Sangam. It is an amazing place. Please visit there, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.